So yeah, it's been okay, but we got there in the end. My hands are dirty as usual. Not too bad this time. And we're on to the next field now. So Billy's out cultivating the field. This is what I'm going to drill now, but Billy's in the middle of cultivating. So I'll just follow after him, I suppose. I'll start furthest away and work towards him. Is that rain? My window? It did rain earlier, but we managed to carry on going, luckily. I was about to drill another field and Lucy was about to go rolling. But here comes the rain. I do not think that we will be doing that anymore, unfortunately. That's now going to be tomorrow's problem.
Do some drilling now.
What have you been doing this morning, Ben?
McDonalds trips and sizzling bacon.
No, come on, what have you actually been doing?
Been sorting out the cultivator.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
Lower seize bearings and the discs have
Seize bearings,
from
worn discs.
Little square centre to a round. It started cutting through the actual bar that holds all of the discs together.
Fair enough.
That's
well,
it did cut through the bar. That's
well,
why we're having to replace
I think that's us done for the day. Let's go and paint my pumpkin signs. Good morning. Right, today I'm going drilling again, but it has rained, so we just got to wait this morning for it to dry off, but the sun is out. Billy's just getting out the seed because he put it in his drill. Unfortunately, it wouldn't go through the trash, so I have to empty it out and put it in my drill. Here she is. Right, just going to reverse her out, and then we will go and put the seed in. I washed my overalls, and now within 30 seconds they are dirty. What do I need? Seed. I left a bag of seed in the shed because it was raining, and I run it in the shed under cover. I can't go drilling anyway until my sisters rolled it first, because Billy cultivated it yesterday with the 8R. Here she is. Still okay, luckily. Where's this come from? Not from my seed. So my certified DK Star Winter Oilseed Rape. That's what I'm planting. In this bag, 7.5 kilograms. This must be the seed that Billy's taken out of his drill, but just put in a different bag. So I'm going to assume it's this. It feels heavy. You can tell I'm starting to get tired because my face has gone all like blotchy and my hair just won't tie up at all. I need a haircut, I think. Right. Let's calibrate the drill again. So I'm going to calibrate my drill. So escape. I want to press drill calibration. Or this one. And then it basically tells you steps. Enter required seed rate. So I'm going to do 2.1 because I'm a bit low on seed. Please select the gearbox position, but you don't actually have to because it selects it for you. And then we'll start the calibration. But first, I need to check I've got seed in my drill, so I can actually calibrate it first and get my little calibration boxes out. So here's a little clip. Oh, I should have a little weighing scale in here. This is perfect for oilseed rape because it's small, but when you have wheat, you have to fill it up, empty it, fill it up, empty it. Right, so here is my scales on a flat surface, ready for later. So I have actually pretty much run out, so I've got a little bit in there, not a lot in there. Right, so tip enough in for calibration I will. What a disaster, I just dropped my bag on the floor. Luckily, none of it came out and there's only a little bit in it. That was lucky. Ben, help me! Ask if Ben will pass it to me. We'll go and park it by the fuel. No? You could have parked it by the fuel and then walked over. Oh well, more exercise. I dropped that bag. Could you pass it to me? Be careful, because it's not got anything on it.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
So.
Yeah, thank you very much. So this is my Aussie drape. It's got a blue coating on. Well, they're actually Aussie drape seeds, the ones that are not coated. That's what they look like normally, but they're all coated with like a chemical dye. Not sure what it actually is. Let's have a look. So it's Integral Pro. Now this seed treatment, which is the blue stuff, enhances vigour and aids establishment effectively. So that's why it's a hybrid as well. So hopefully we can get across and grow away from this cabbage stem flea beetle situation. Because I don't know if you know, we've had a, trying to get the sun out your eyes, neonicotinoid seed treatment banned a while ago, and really hard to grow Aussie drape now without the cabbage stem flea beetle eating it. So we grow hybrid to try and get away from that situation. Oh, I tell you what I do need to do is open my flaps. Open the flaps under here. One flap open. Let's go around and open the other flap. Scales. Other flap. Where are you? Here it is. Let's just get rid of that dirt. Back in. Okay. I need to pick up my wheel because it's fallen down. Otherwise I will not be able to turn the wheel on the floor, because that's how you calibrate it. You turn it like it's being pulled in the field. Up. Metering units filled. Yes. Calibration tray emptied. Yes. Running, stop with escape or finish. Now I've got to turn the wheel until it beeps. Beeps, beeps, beeps. About 100 times now. Yep. So this is what I've got for my calibration. Tip it in and we'll weigh it now. So I've got 2.216. Right, let's go and see what the drill thinks I've got. Apparently my steering lock's rubbish, so they're just trying to have a look at it. Go! As fast as you can.
It's all coming out.
Yeah, it's good. That's what we want. About 80 turns.
80?
Yeah.
I'm not counting.
No, it's fine. It'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. 0.068 hectares, 0.55 hectares. Nearly there. Come on. Keep going. It's a good arm workout. Oh, because it's got a seed dressing on. Called, what's it called? Integral Pro, which helps establishment and vigour. Right, because this one's a little bit cracked, what I do is use that one. So pour that into there. So all of it, make sure you don't miss any. Don't spill any either. Okay? Okay, bring it round. Round here. We'll take this round to the scales. And now, okay, put that down on the floor and empty this into here. This into the bag. That's it. Okay, put that on the weighing scales. And we'll zero it.
Are these from the kitchen?
No, they are the drills. Okay, pour all of that in and don't spill any. That's it. And it's saying 220. Now we go into the drill and see what they've said. It says So 2:13.
The room this morning is doing a great job. Hi there, could you...
Let's not go out without diesel. That'll be a disaster. And add blue. Hello, boys. What are you doing?
The truth of farming.
You getting the string out of the pickup?
We've got the string out.
Very good. So Lucy's rolling in front of me. And I'm going to go drill now what she's rolled. Because Billy cultivated this yesterday. I drilled that one yesterday. But it just flattens it down a little bit. Oh, dear me. Right, let's go and drill. So I'm just jumping out. Seed, seed, seed. Yep, yeah. You can see that little blue seed on the floor. Seed, yep, more seed. Yep, all drilling. Perfect. Let's carry on. We got the same problem. It's missing. Urgh. Don't know what is wrong with my GPS. Billy, Dan, myself, we've all looked at it and we can't figure out what's going wrong. It's definitely missing some though. You can see it there. I'm so confused. It's a good gap as well. It's like a foot gap missing. Look at all the birds. They always find wherever you're drilling, always. Look at them all. The seagulls are up there. They always seem to find us when we're drilling, always. Drilling, ploughing, cultivating, anything. It's not as many as there is normally though. It's time to check my seed. Is there any seed in the bed? Probably won't be able to find it. Thought it was worth a look. Oh, there's some. Yep, still coming out. Right, need to climb up here now.
So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget pumpkin picking is also soon, and donation to Ellie's Welly is just £1 on my Just Giving page. So thank you again for watching.